Yes, we can all step someone needs help. So let's keep spreading kindness online and in real life. Together we grow. Together we make a difference. Join the AOK charity family where we support small YouTubers and lift each other up and one act kindness at a time. Subscribe now and be part of the movement in a quiet neighborhood where inano niya. Yan. Follow me. Subscribe me. Follow me. Yan. Hello everyone. Babasahin ko. Ang ganda ng mga words niya. Tingnan mo. Hello everyone. AOK Charity Channel. I would like to greet the world a happy Valentine's Day. You all out there. I like to give a big shout out to Griselda. Andito kaya ako? Enjoy Yahoo! Wala yata ako dito. Let's connect to one another. Build a stronger community. Ayan, tapusin lang natin. Wala nga ako dito. Si dalawa lang yung meron dito. Ayoko nang basahin. Ayan. Nasa sayo po yun kung paano mo kausapin mga viewers mo. Ang pag-YT work na po ito. Yes, that is work. Ayan. Tama. Diba? Follow me. Subscribe me. Get me. Ay, ganun ba yun? Sophia. Ayan. Kindness na tayo. Sus Mariosep, naging ano tayo. Wala si Josh, no? Josh, we miss you a lot. And Lane, we miss you a lot. And Italy member there. And the two of you. My Rome and my Hearty Miles. Are you still there, guys? Tell me if you're there. Joyce Golly, dagdag tusok siya sa Joyce, thank you so much for another tusok. Yahoo! Ayan. Kakanta muna tayo kahit isang beses lang. Para naman, kasi through the years na tayo. Diba? So, let's sing a song through the years. Na 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 na. Diba? Kailangan kantahin natin yung Through Yearly kasi years na tayo, guys. Okay? Don't forget.